Good morning, everybody. I thought I would show you how I'm starting my day today. I've been doing nutrition for over 20 years, and I cannot count how many times I've been told that the reason why someone cannot stay consistent on their food or they cannot stay on track with their health is because they're doing construction in their home and they no longer have their kitchen. And I wanted to just show you guys that we're kind of in the process now where we're having to be without our kitchen because we're constructing a new kitchen at this point. So my current dining room space has been turned into our kitchen. Of course, I don't have a dishwasher, so I have to use my powder room to wipe down all of our dishes. But this is my little dog watering station. This is my pretty dining room table that I'm about to get a tablecloth for. We have our refrigerator over there blocking the opening for our dogs. And then I'm set up. So I have my coffee items here, my hot tea and my coffee maker. I have my microwave. I have my milk frother. Down here I have all of our vitamins. I have all of our collagen, Sophie's lunch snacks, and the plastic forks, knives, and bowls, as well as plates. Over here I have the extra storage of the collagen, all the different Ziplocs, paper towels, and then in here I have the really small odd items. And then I keep stock of all of our food in the refrigerator, so all of our prepped food is in the refrigerator. John's are in that bottom drawer. All the dog's meat is in the extra bottom drawer. And then Sophie and I's prepped foods are in here. So we're ready to go. I have her breakfast. I have everything that we need. And then I have my convection oven. This is what I'm going to make my lettuce in each night. I have extra storage down here for my thermal cups and my things that I take every single day. I have a bucket here that I'm keeping all of my water in. And then I also have my Vitamix set up. I'm going to have a hot plate right where Sophie's breakfast is right now. That's on its way, so I can start doing the sauteing of my vegetables right there by the window. And then I have all my extra water bottles that I make my hot tea with, and I make my coffee, and then I also give that to the dogs. Oh, and then Alexa's over there, so I can have some quality music while I'm doing all that. And then that's Delilah. She's been following me around all morning. And so we're all set up on the table here with the backpacks, with my cooler for the day, with Sophie's waters. Everything's all set up. Her breakfast is ready. I just had to put it up high so that Finn didn't try to take it, but she's all set and ready. So what does it take? It takes getting up a little bit earlier to make sure all this stuff gets done. It takes deciding what are we eating for the week, where does the stuff need to be, how are we going to make it work. It takes preparation, it takes choices to be able to be successful in times of adversity or in situations where you don't have all that you need for everything to be perfect. But the worst thing that we can do is use that as an excuse and as a crutch for why we cannot be healthy. There is always a way. There is always an option. You might have to spend your whole weekend getting things prepared. You may have to spend a couple weeks before it's coming to get things prepared, but you will get there and it will be worth it. Just like we will stay healthy and it will be Christmas time and we will have our kitchen remodeled and we will not have a dishwasher, but we will stay healthy. We will stay prepared. I pray that you all have an amazing day today. God bless you.